for you. You're going places.
Thank you.
I'm telling
That
you.
is wonderful.
you.
That is wonderful.
You're horned all the way.
Yeah.
We are so
But
proud.
basically, I learned that song because, once again, my mom, she had faith in me. The day that it was the auditions, I did not want to go in. I basically got back in the car in Middletown, and I told my mom to take me back to Wilmington. But she told me, she said, I didn't drive all the way to Middletown for you to give up right now. And she said, I believe in you. And when I went in there, it was this girl that was in high school with me. She had an amazing voice. And when she told me that she didn't get in, I automatically felt as though I wasn't going to make it either. So I wound up going in, I was scared. And then like a week later, I got the call letting me know that I made it in. And they gave us practice CDs to like go over the music on our own. And we had a week away from school where we just stayed in Middletown High School for a couple days, and then we had this concert. And then ever since that day, I just have a lot of confidence in myself with singing. So I use that same song to audition at Delaware State, and that's what has allowed me to get the scholarship that I am on now. So I'm very grateful. And now I feel like I'm challenged and I'm motivated to like do anything and sing anything.
Right, right. And that's
That is wonderful.
That's a beautiful
Jamila's
story.
going to have you on her show on
Oh,
BET.
yes, we have.
You'll be there.
We got to start with having her on our DSU show.
Oh,
Yeah.
buddy,
Oh,
that
wow.
sounds like a winner.
But it's what you just said, and both of you shared, the fact that there were times that you were fearful, and we know that many of the young people who are getting ready for school, and you're thinking about, you know that they have to go back,
Yes.
that fear is a part of it, but you don't let that fear conquer you, you know what I'm saying? And you get that confidence within yourself, and be willing to take that step forward. And you never know what you could have won when you quit. So the fact is, don't quit. Go and take that step. And whether you win or lose, you have benefited in some way, some format. It has prepared you, made you a stronger person. And here, by you sticking to it and being encouraged by your parents, you see how important, and guardians, your role is in encouraging. And just look what you have now to be able to perform like that, just, with no backup, no music or anything. That was really beautiful, very
Yes, it
inspirational,
was.
and you
Very
never
well.
know,
Outstanding.
where it's going to end. And like you said, you were able to get a scholarship based on that performance that took place in high school. So those high school years are important. And as Jamila said, don't sit just as freshmen often just sitting in the dorms. You have to get out there, get involved, get to know people, realize that you will have some friends, but then as you go from your freshman to your sophomore to your junior, senior year, that some of those friends that you had in freshman year, no longer do you have some of the same interests. So they might be just acquaintances that you have, but you have to continue to move forward and to move on. So now, is there any last comment that, as we begin to wrap up, that you like to share? Because we talked about a lot of things, and some things I was not able to get into, but any last comment?
Yes, I would like to just say thank you to the Pritchards. I honor you guys so much. Not trying to cry right now, because we are on a TV show, but you guys have helped me through everything. You guys know what I've been through, where I've came from, and from the day that I was about to graduate from Glasgow, and you didn't even know me, and you offered me that book scholarship, and you see me cry over $200. And that same exact day, you offered to like pay for my housing and just everything off the back. And me and my mom was just crying in the parking lot, because we're like, this guy doesn't know me from a can of paint, but he's willing to just do everything to help me. And then that same week, we got everything taken care of, application in, housing deposit in, going to Bancroft, meeting administrators, and just meeting different people that can help me. Like these type of things like allow me to see that there are great people in the world that have genuine hearts. And you guys just mean a lot to me. I would never have thought that me joining your step team in high school would have gone this far to where now like I'm just in college and I'm living every dream that I thought I would ever live. And as I grow, I will continue to make you guys happy. And I will give back as well as you guys have given back. So thank you.
I tell you,
Yeah,
we appreciate that. We don't want anything back. You reach down and help someone else in the Wilmington area, Newcastle County area.
And in your walks of
and
life.
your walks of life,
And
because
that's what it's
we're
about.
doing that because people did it for us.
And that's
And
the
the
truth.
Doc Hills, who got me to school, and Major Harrison was a big influence in my life. So, no, I'm proud of what you do. And every time I see you at homecoming, and you come up to me and you tell me how great your grades are, and that you're happy, that's what we want.
And any last, as we wrap
Yes,
up?
this is praise hour, so I will give you guys the praise that you deserve. You know, even from when my dad first, told me, you know, you have the talent, you have everything. You know, you still need a mentor, you still need help. And so, not only with myself, you've helped my father out, you've helped my mother out, you've helped me out with the book scholarship, with the meetings, with just sitting there planning out my achievements, listening to me, believing in me. Like I said, you were the reason that I got to compete in Miss Delaware. You're the reason that I'm at Delaware State. And, you know, I really appreciate it. And, you know, anything, I know that you guys say, you know, you don't have to do it, but I will. I will do for you. And I will be there. And, you know, how you've been for my family. And so I thank you. My parents, thank you for supporting me. Everyone, thank you for supporting me. And anything that you ever need, you know.
Oh, that's so
you
kind.
will get from me and Tiffany.
Both of you.
Yeah,
Yes,
you will get
yes,
from us
yes.
as a team.
Right.
Well, we
Oh.
appreciate it. And to our viewing audience, we say good night and best to all the young people who will be going off in a couple of weeks to school.